अभी तक ऐसी कोई सामने बात नहीं आई है कि यहाँ पर राजस्थान में इसने अपनी आइडियोलॉजी को प्रसारित करने का कोई प्रयास किया, लेकिन यही मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा है, अभी पूछताछ करेंगे, आज उसको पेश करेंगे, कोर्ट से रिमांड लेंगे, पूछताछ करेंगे, ऐसी कोई बात सामने आएगी तो जरूर बताएंगे।
किसी बड़े नेता से डायरेक्टली इसकी बातचीत हुई है अभी तक, या आपका फोकस है कि आप इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहे हैं?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है, मेरे ख्याल से इससे अधिक ज्यादा अभी कुछ कहना उचित नहीं है।
Arvind is on the phone line with more details. Arvind, what led the sequence of events that led to his arrest and the authorities suspecting that he is probably working on behalf of Islamic State?
Mohammad Sirajuddin was working with as a marketing manager with Indian Oil Corporation in Jaipur for more than 1.5 years now, and the intelligence agencies were tracking his social media activities, WhatsApp and other groups under which his activities were found suspected by the agencies, and ATS in Rajasthan had arrested him yesterday, and today he was produced in court and sent to remand till December 21. Now the ATS in Rajasthan would investigate him about his links. As far as the ATS sources has told us that Mohammad Sirajuddin was active in spreading ideology of ISIS among through various social media networks and through his contacts. So he's been arrested in Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. So far, ATS is maintaining that no charges, serious charges of terrorism has been put on him, but investigation will reveal, and ATS is looking forward that, and they are the agencies are interested if he was connected with somebody outside Syria or with ISIS leadership.
Yes, if he is spreading their propaganda, but they would want Arvind to see who he was interacting with. But have they found any evidence, documentary evidence, any pamphlets along with him, or was it primarily on social media that he was spreading the propaganda?
Yes, they have found a lot of documentary evidence of him spreading the ideology of ISIS, but no direct link or connection has been so far established by the agencies.